Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we have a true relic of the past, a heavily oxidized, Victorian-era antique charcoal iron. Time has not been kind. The rust is deep, the handle is cracked, and the locking mechanism is completely seized by decades of neglect. We begin the restoration by carefully disassembling every single component. Every screw tells a story of a century spent in storage. The internal chamber is filled with ancient ash and debris. To restore the iron's soul, we must first clear away the weight of history. Now, the real work begins. We use a high-tension wire brush to strip away the primary layers of oxidation without damaging the original cast iron. For the more stubborn patches, a specialized rust remover solution is applied. Watch as the chemical reaction begins to loosen the iron's orange coat. To achieve a truly professional finish, we move to the grinding wheel. Precision is key here to maintain the iron's classic silhouette. Slowly, the dull, pitted metal gives way to a smooth, silver sheen. It's a satisfying transformation that rewards hours of patient labor. We can't forget the details. The latch and hinges are cleaned and lubricated, ensuring they move as smoothly as they did 100 years ago. The wooden handle requires a delicate touch. After sanding away the rot, we apply a rich linseed oil to bring back its deep, natural glow. Final polishing involves a hybrid compound. We want this iron to not just look clean, but to shine like a piece of vintage luxury. Now, we reassemble the piece. Every screw is tightened, every part perfectly aligned. The iron is whole once again. The transformation is complete. What was once a discarded piece of junk is now a stunning example of craftsmanship and history. Thank you for joining me on this journey of restoration. Preserving the past is the best way to honor the hands that built it.